Hello and welcome to the Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on the 16th day of June 2025. We just closed the US closed live trading room where we trade the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq. This trade comes off the S&P 500, um, and it's a trade that if you've been following this for any length of time, it's a pretty standard trade for us. We use the indicator here that comes from Samurai Day Trading. It's a strong candle indicator. Simply says go short on this one, and we're going to do just that. Now we go over to the PVI. I expect the next candle to be anywhere from, I guess, around 13 ticks long. So I'm going to pair my ATM to that. We're going to go for fours, eights, and 16s. We're going to de-risk the trade after four, see if we can run targets to 8 and 16s. So this is a trade taken in today in the live trading room. And here we go. We'll get it started. I guess we might as well. Now, first thing we do is we're going to sell this, put a cover order on. Now, if the cover order gets hit without a retrace, we'll leave it there. If this retraces at all, we're going to move it from here to the body of the candle. So let's see how this all works out. I don't believe we got this off the body, come to think of it. Yeah, we didn't. First thing we got to do is put our stop where it belongs, which is up here. And now we can, we'll go ahead and speed it up just a little bit now that we've been picked up in the trade. Never much fun when it picks you up and then retraces, but that's what it is. All right, a little bit of a retrace up, comes storming back down, and watch what happens when our first target is taken out. Boom, first target's taken out. A stop comes from way up here all the way to here. Now, if I want to, if this comes back and takes us out at break even, I want to have another order ready so that I can re-enter the trade. So fours are out. Here's our 8-tick target here. And this is ES, so it takes a little bit longer to get things done on ES. So fours and eights are out. 2 times 4, 1 times 8. We got 16 ticks on ES. And we have a -3 stop loss. So the worst we can do is get a plus 13 out of this trade. And here's a 16-tick target. I may be stretching the friendship because we just saw that, oh, the PVI just switched over to 16. So it's gonna be close. All right, so we came back down, it all paid. Wonderful. Everything is great. That particular trade is worth 400 US dollars and took 5 minutes, a little more than 5 minutes to complete. So if you want to learn how to make 400 US dollars in 5 minutes, come and join us in the live trading room today at samuraidaytrading.com, samuraidaytrading.com. And we look forward to seeing you in the live trading room real soon. God bless you, and we'll see you next time.